Hello everyone, welcome back to Two Smart Cookies. My name is Paige.
My name is Lauren.
And today we are bringing you a nice warm favourite, tomato and basil soup. We are using our new Morphy Richards Soup Maker. As seen in a previous video where we used it for a smoothie, we are using it today for our soup.
It's very multifunctional. You can prepare soup as little as 21 minutes.
It's a more prepare and put everything in and it'll do the work for you.
And what's even better is this is 1.6 litres in capacity, so you could feed your family as well.
Even better if you're a mum and you know you've had your long day and you can't be bothered to cook. Ideal. Perfect to pair as well with a bit of bread. So we've made some homemade bread today that we can't wait to just dip in our soup.
Let's have a look inside.
So on this machine, you can create either smooth or chunky soup. And you've obviously got the smoothie blend, which you've seen in the previous video where we made our strawberry and pineapple smoothie. But I think today we're gonna go for the smooth option because I don't really fancy chunky tomato soup, really nice and smooth.
You could probably do something like a stew, couldn't you, as well?
Yeah, so like a nice chunky vegetable soup, maybe lamb and mint type of soup.
Yeah.
Be lovely.
There's all sorts of combinations. Just grab yourself a cookbook, see what kind of soup you want to make, and that does the work for you.
It is very, very versatile. So fantastic.
Easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy. Or in our case, tomato squeezy. First things first, we need to half our tomatoes. And I'm gonna put them in this side, want the skins up. Preheat that oven to 200 degrees, gas mark 6. Okay, it's literally just everything in half, so the onions in half, tomatoes in half. I'm glad you're cutting this in half.
Two's not bad, it's when it's a full batch, it's the problem.
Let's mix it around the tomatoes, shall we? Get that onion flavour all around. And we're just going to pop in our garlic as well.
4 cloves. You can add more if you're a garlic fan.
Then we're going to drizzle all of this with a little bit of olive oil. Just over the top. Ooh, just to help roast them a little bit.
And for the final touches on your tomatoes, onions and garlic cloves, you're going to go in with a little bit of salt and pepper. You can be kind of generous with this.
The salt comes out way faster than the pepper does.
And that's going to infuse all those flavours together when it's roasting in the oven. The best thing about roasting your vegetables rather than boiling them over a pan is you're not sucking all the flavour out of them. So when you roast them, you're actually keeping all them juices, which is good.
All together.
So we're going to pop them in the oven. We're going to roast them for
20 to 30 minutes.
Yeah. And we'll see you then.
Let's get them in.
Now that is perfect.
Ideal to dip in our soup. The roasted vegetables, well I mean tomato, onion and garlic, have just come out of the oven. And I'll tell you this smell is like
a warm winter's day, sitting on the sofa with your dog.
Oh, just
soup's in the soup maker.
It smells so good. And like, I already can't wait to even eat this.
You can just know it's going to have flavour, don't you?
So we are going to pop this into the soup maker.
Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to just... Yeah. They're fine, aren't they?
Ooh, oh, look at that, look at that, man. The juice.
And yes, you're getting the juices as well, right from the tomatoes.
And the garlic.
And the garlic cloves. So all of them juices will be infused together, which is nice.
I love a good roasted tomato. Get that tomato puree in there. Brown sugar. And it's got to be fresh basil leaves.
It has to be fresh basil. It tastes much better, doesn't it? And obviously it grinds down into basically nothing.
Yeah. And
the
vegetable stock. Ooh, making a mess. I don't even know how that's
You've got to do it quick, man.
Okay, I say quick, but I think I need a towel.
You're lucky I've got one on hand, aren't you?
But what would this video be without me making a mess? Because
I think you've done it in every video we've done. I think she's made a mess, and it's usually me, so I'm quite surprised.
Right, oh, do you want to put a bit of salt and peps in?
Go on then.
There we go. Just a little bit of salt, that comes out rather quick.
And we've already put salt on before we put them in the oven.
Lid on, switch on.
And again, using this Morphy Richards machine, it's very, very easy. It comes with a manual, but I'm just going to quickly show you how to do it anyway. So all you're going to do is hold in mode button and select which one you want. So for us, we want smooth. So I'm going to keep that on smooth, and I'm going to hold the start button.
Already.
21 minutes, that's all it took to make that soup, and it looks absolutely incredible. We finished it off with a little bit of single cream over the top, just for that smooth blend.
Beautiful. In goes for the taste test. Now, I am really excited. I love tomato soup.
That's incredible.
That basil really comes through, and that garlic.
The garlic is really like roasted garlic, isn't it? You can taste like the roasted vegetables in there.
That is really, really tasty. It's the only soup I actually even like.
I love soup. Broccoli and Stilton soup is one of my favourites. So I'm going to take a little bit of bread.
I'm going to do the same.
Our fasciata bread. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm going to have to Google it.
I don't actually know. Are you ready? Dip.
I think this bread's so light and airy, it just goes down nicely, especially with soup.
It's
Soup's
ideal.
a little bit heavier.
It's ideal for soup. I like that bread like coated, dripping in soup.
A little bit of lay pack on there though would have done the trick.
No,
Or
not on
Lord
bread.
pack.
Not on bread.
I'm going to have to go in a little bit more. It's absolutely delicious.
It's that basil that's really coming through though. Like that basil mixed with tomato.
That's perfect for a winter day.
Tell you what else I think would make a beautiful soup. Roasted red pepper and tomato soup.
Roasted red peppers
with
be
a
nice.
bit of paprika.
A little bit of spice.
I think that might be
I think that
good
would
for a
go very
future
well.
video.
Okay. So I think we're going to go on a soup journey then.
Oh yeah.
We might just whack the soup maker out every video. See what we're making today. Vegetable soup.
Okay.
So that is us with our Morphy Richards Soup Maker. We've linked that in the description below so you can go and check their products out, and we have also listed the ingredients as well. So please do check those out.
Please give us a like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you know when we release a next video.
Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.